Sitting tall, clasp the hands beneath the right leg. Extend through the heel and bend at the knee, creating more flexibility and mobility in the joints. Pause and hold, extending energetically through the right heel. Continue here or place the hands to the belly. And for more of a challenge, reach the arms overhead, activating the core. Release and repeat to the opposite side. Clasp the hands beneath the left leg, extend through the heel, and bend at the knee. Continue with this movement, increasing circulation in the lower body. Pause and hold at the extension, stretching through the hamstring, flexing through the heel. Continue here or release the clasp, placing the hands to the belly. And for more of a challenge, reach the arms overhead, feeling the core strong. Release and return to center, pausing, reconnecting to the breath. Inhale, sweep the arms overhead, interlace the fingers and press the palms away. Exhale, lower the arms halfway, rounding the spine, chin towards the chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, reach the arms overhead, lifting and lengthening through the front body, tilting the pelvis forward lightly, drawing the shoulder blades into the back torso, supporting the lift of the chest for a mild back bend. And with each exhale, lower the arms halfway, lengthening the tailbone under slightly, rounding the spine, coiling the navel back, chin towards the chest. Pausing at the top, inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, tilt to the right for a lateral stretch. Inhale up, exhale, tilt to the left. Continue moving gently from right to left, keeping the weight even in the hips, lightly lifting through the lower belly, breathing wide into the side body. Release and return to center. Clasp the hands beneath the chair. Lift the right leg and hold as you continue sitting tall with the chest lifting. Release and repeat to the opposite side. Release and repeat to the opposite side. Lift the right leg and hold, toning the abdominal muscles, strengthening through the low back. Release and repeat once more to the opposite side. Release, continue moving from right to left, or for more of a challenge, lift both feet and hold. Continue lifting through the chest, lengthening the spine, feeling the abdomen, spine, and hip flexors working. Release and return to center, transitioning into a modified seated forward bend. Extend through the right leg, placing the hands to the left thigh for support. Slowly lengthen the torso forward, folding from the hip creases, lengthening through the right heel, flexing the toes towards the sky. With each inhale, lengthen the spine, and with each exhale, gently folding deeper. Inhale, lift the torso to upright and repeat to the opposite side. Extend through the heel of the left leg, placing the hands to the right thigh for support. Lengthen the torso forward as you continue to keep the left leg active, flexing through the left heel. Inhale, lift the torso to upright, returning to center. Place the hands to the seat of the chair and lift the heart, exploring a modified reverse plank position. For a deeper stretch, straighten the legs, pressing the soles of the feet into the earth, working to keep the legs straight and firm as you continue to press the shoulder blades into the back torso, opening across the front body. Place the feet back to center. Inhale, lift through the heart. Exhale, sweep the arms forward, rounding the spine, chin towards the chest. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath. With each inhale, sweep the arms back, tilting the pelvis forward lightly, lifting through the heart, drawing the shoulder blades down the back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, sweep the arms forward, lengthening the tailbone under slightly, coiling the navel back, chin towards the chest, rounding the spine, stretching across the upper back. Release and return to center. Observe the breath and the body, allowing a moment of stillness. Sitting tall, draw the right knee in towards the chest. Use the left hand to clasp the right leg, gently rotating the torso to the right, reaching the right arm back and open to the right with the elbow bent, or extending the right arm towards straight, reaching through the fingertips. Maintain the hips facing forward, rotating from the navel, ribs, and chest, lengthening from the base of the spine upward. Exhale to unwind and return to center, repeating to the opposite side. Sitting tall, draw the left knee in towards the chest. Use the right hand to clasp the left leg, gently rotating the torso to the left, reaching the left arm back and open to the left, bending at the elbow, or extending the left arm towards straight, reaching energetically through the fingertips. Exhale to unwind and return to center.